Oh, welcome to Cooling and Electrical Solution. Here we are again. This is a service call. This one is a locomotive. A client called me to go and do their locomotive because they want to get their water cool and make some ice for sale. So I did the estimate everything and I get the copper tube and I'm running it in the bags. This is an old box that is no longer working with the exact component that came with it. So we have to run a copper tube inside and connect it to the air condition, which is a condenser. So now I'm connecting the pipe inside. I'm connecting the pipe inside. That's the way we do it. That's the 516 pipe there. I'm connecting it, almost done. So I'm connecting it. So I've already connected the pipe and now I'm checking my joint because I welded them. The pipe I use 2 row, so the joint I have to join, and now I'm checking a capillary tube joint to see if it's joined properly, if there's no leak. I also use now this is it. It's done. We did it good. So now what we have to do, we connect our condenser, everything. So now the system is set. We are vacuuming the system. So that's the 9000 BTU we connect on that system. So now, as you can see, there's a cap tube there and the suction line going straight in the fridge. So now I'm doing a proper vacuum because the system is big, so you can leave it like that and punch refrigerator in it. You won't get exact cool. So I'm doing a proper vacuum. After the vacuum, now I'm charging. So I'm charging with the 22 gas. This is a 22 gas. Also using my meter to charge because this system is a 5.5 amps. So I'm charging with my meter, my gauge, and also using my clamp meter. So I also use my thermometer to observe the temperature in the bus as I'm charging. So now in the bus is 10 degrees, 10.4 degrees Celsius. So I came by checking, now it's 1.8. So as I was charging, I was also checking. So now you see it's 1.8. So inside the bus now is 1.8 degrees. So you will know 1.8. So you will know it's cold. But I wanted to go to -6 like that before I can open the bus. So I sent some more gas inside. I'm charging with liquid. It's on, but I'm charging very little because you don't want to charge too much liquid in the system. So now that's it. We're going to check the temperature. So I reduce it so much, you can see small and closer because you don't want to send too much liquid, right? Yeah. So small, closer, fast. That's the way you do once you are charging with liquid. I'm reading 4.4 amps, so which sounds good. And then there's a heat coming out, which also look good. And then I'm going to check my thermometer and see now it's -7. So I think inside is good. So I'm about to open it. Wow! Just look at the code. Just look at the code. Everywhere is cold. The core are all cold, and now we are getting freezing. We are getting freezing. Whoa! Just look at that. Just say we in Atlantico. Whoa! Just we Atlantico -7 is good, right? So now it's done. I told them to put water in it. Stay tuned. Good electrical solution all day.